Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn phrasal verbs with turn. Turn up. To show up, arrive or appear unexpectedly. Did she turn up at the party? Yes, she showed up eventually. Turn up. To increase the volume, the heat or brightness. Could you turn up the music? I'll increase the volume now. Please turn up the heat a little. Turn down. To decrease the volume, the heat or brightness. Can you turn down the radio? I'll lower the volume for you. Turn down. To reject or decline. Did she turn down the invitation? Yes, she rejected it. Turn in. To go to bed. Are you going to turn in early tonight? Yes, I'll go to bed soon. Turn in. To submit work or documents. Did you turn in your assignment? Yes, I submitted it this morning. Turn in. To take or report someone to the police or other authority. Did they turn him in to the police? Yes, they reported him. Turn away. To send away, to refuse entry or reject someone. Did the teacher turn away the latecomers? Yes, she sent them away. Turn away. To avert your gaze or attention, or ignore. Did you turn away during the scary movie? Yes, I looked away. Please turn away from the bad news. Turn into. To transform or change into something. Did that idea turn into a reality? Yes, it transformed into a big project. Turn into. To enter a road or path. Should I turn into the next street? Yes, take the next left. Turn against. To go against, to stop supporting or being friendly to someone. Did he turn against his friend? Yes, he went against him. Turn against. To cause someone to stop being friendly towards someone. Did he turn your friend against you? Yes, he turned her against me. Turn on. Switch on. Can you turn on the lights? Sure, I'll switch them on. Turn off. Switch off. Should I turn off the TV? Yes, please switch it off. Turn off. To lose interest or become disinterested. Did the long speech turn you off? Yes, it really bored me. Turn over. To flip something to the other side. Should I turn over the pancake now? Yes, flip it before it burns. Turn over. To ponder or think over something carefully. Did you turn over the decision in your mind? Yes, I thought it over. Turn over. To hand over, give, pass. Should I turn over the documents to the manager? Yes, please hand them over. Turn out. To attend or participate. Did many people turn out for the event? Yes, many showed up. Turn out. To produce or make something. How many units can they turn out in a day? They can produce about 100. Turn out. To result or end in a certain way. How did the project turn out? It ended up being a success. Turn out. To extinguish a light or flame. Should I turn out the candle? Yes, blow it out. Turn around. To improve a situation. Can we turn around the business? Yes, we can improve it. Turn around. To reverse the direction or outcome. Can we turn around the situation? Yes, we can reverse it. Turn back. To stop moving forward and go back. Should we turn back if it starts to rain? Yes, we'll go back home.